Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to turn any complaint into a plus. Okay, say somebody comes up to you and has a complaint, they say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First thing you're going to want to do is listen. Okay, just simply listen. Because a lot of the times, especially when someone's mad, they need to vent. And they need to know that someone's listening to them. So if you just listen, 1, that'll help de-escalate the problem, and 2, you're showing them respect. Number 2, what you want to do is paraphrase and emphasize. Okay? So say the guy goes up to you and says, "Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5." So you say, "Okay, if I understand you correctly, you're having a complaint about counting." Because isn't that what we do when we paraphrase? We take the lowest common denominator and we mush it all together. Okay? And that's showing them that you were listening and that you also understand. When you're dealing with a spouse or significant other sometimes, this does, you want to make it turn into a 3-step process, especially if you're the one complaining and they're offering some sort of a solution. So, use their exact words, especially if it's like your wife saying, "Hey, this, and this." You say, "Okay, this, and this." And they're like, "Yes! So if I understood you, this, then this, then this, and this, and this." Yes. Okay, so if this, then this, then this. And oftentimes you can actually find yourself a quick and easy solution with just 3 simple things. The first time you want to say it, this is for spouses. Okay, first time you want to say it exactly the same way that they said it. That way you are speaking literally their language. Okay? Because quite oftentimes, especially with someone you have to deal with like that, with a spouse, you have to speak their exact language. Okay? That tells you you listen to them. Then you want to come up with your paraphrased version. So, then you do that. Okay? And then, in your third version, your final version should be, you come up with your solution. So, if I do this, then does that solve all the problems? Okay? Now, back to any other situation. Okay? Ask them, step 3, ask them to do a favor for you. Okay? Ask them to do something that shows that you're taking them seriously. Especially in the corporate world, this usually means paperwork. Paperwork is going to stall a lot of things, and quite oftentimes, if you ask them to do paperwork, and you've showed them that you listen to them, and you have listened to them, and you paraphrase them, and all that sort of stuff, then you ask them, "Okay, how would you do this? Give me a report on how this would be done. How would it be done better like that?" And that will, 1, get them off your back, and 2, have them either do the paperwork for it, or if they don't do the paperwork, then obviously it wasn't that big of a deal. Okay. Step 4, final step, says do something special. Okay? Let them know that you're going to do something special to make up for this problem. But don't tell them what it is. That way, you can gauge the situation later when cooler heads are involved. Okay? This doesn't have to be that much. Just do something special to make up for the problem. Just a little something. Show you're involved. That's literally as simple as it is to just turn any complaint into a plus.